Hi guys, Khushal Kumar here, and this is part 20 of my C programming language tutorial. In the last tutorial, I told you not to define a function without declaring it. So in this tutorial, I will tell you why it is important to declare a function. So let's get started. Let's create a function called fun and let's return some character like a. So now we have returned a character, and if we call this function here like printf percentage c, the char is percentage c, and now if you call the function here, you will see that after building this function you have an error, and that error is previous implicit declaration of fun was here on line 5. So what it's actually telling you is that if you don't declare a function, the function will implicitly be of int return type. So this function is supposed to return an integer value, but it's a character function, and that's why there's an error. So if you write some function and don't declare it explicitly, which means you don't declare it yourself, the compiler will declare it itself, and in that the declaration will be of int type, which means in the declaration the function that you have not declared before defining it will be of int type, and if it isn't actually of int type, then there will be an error. Let's make it return int value, and now if you build it, you will see there's no error, and now you run it, you will see the answer is a. As it now returns an integer value, you might say that it should return some integer value, not a character, but what it actually does is it returns the ASCII value of a, which is 65, and then as we have written C here, so this print statement will print character value of the ASCII character 65. So instead of 65, it will print A. If you write percentage %d here, you will see that it's returning the value 65, which is the ASCII value of A, capital A. So that's all for this one. I hope you understood what happens if you don't declare a function. It takes the return value of integer on its own. So if you if you remove this int from here and build it, it will still return an integer value, as you can see here. So if you don't want your function to return integer value, if you want it to return double or char or anything, you have to declare it. If you don't declare it, there will be an error. So that's all for this one. I hope you liked it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, comment if you have any questions, and thank you for watching. Have a nice day.